Hi guys, okay, I'm going to do a quick video to show you how easy and fast it is to use our do-it-yourself one-step nail polish, and you will have great nails and out the door. Here we go. Okay, the color I'm going to use today is called Pampered Tulips. Put it in the camera here. It's one of my favorite. It's fun, it's bright and light. First thing you do when you want to do your nails is you want to take your file and you want to just gently buff on the soft side over the nail bed. And it's really just to kind of even it out just a little bit. You don't want to be too harsh on it. The second thing you do is you take your cleanser cloth. If you don't have any or you run out, I also use rubbing alcohol, also called isopropyl alcohol. So you can get that at the drugstore. I have cleansers, so today I'm going to use it, and I'll just use one for all the fingers. And what this does is it takes off the oils off of your nail bed. So it makes your finger ready to receive the polish, and there's nothing on there. So when you take your polish, you want to roll it. You don't want to shake it because that creates bubbles. And then, just make sure you guys can see. And then I'm just going to put, and the key to putting this nail polish on, and this is something I have learned, I did not realize in the beginning, is you want to put on a thin coat. If you put it on too thick, it can bubble. So one thin coat. Here, I'll do 2 nails so you guys can see. It's so fast and so easy. It's awesome. Okay. Then you put it in the light. Now I have the deluxe lamp here. It's just like the salon lamps for 45 seconds. Okay, we are almost done. Here we go. Okay, so you can see these 2 fingers are done, and they're shiny and they're completely dry. So you can decide if you want to put a second coat. I'm going to do the other 2 fingers, but you don't have to. But all our polishes come with a shiny finish. We also have a matte top coat. If you are a matte person, you prefer matte, you can get the matte top coat. But guys, it's so fast. For someone like me, it's awesome because I am a nail nibbler, not a nail biter, but I'm a nail nibbler. And so I always have just neat short nails because it helps me with that. And I have the prettiest nails now, and I feel so pretty with just short, neat nails. They don't have to be long or crazy or bug me. And it's just it's also cost effective. I don't have to spend lots of time or money at the salon. So it's been a wonderful, wonderful alternative for me to have nice nails. And I hope it works for you too. So you can see now I've done all 4 fingers, and look at the difference. Look how pretty that looks. It's just short. So it's so easy. And you guys, we have so many other things to show you. We have creativity sets. If you're someone that loves to be super creative with your nails, we have all kinds of decals and just totally different. We have a creativity set, which is a bunch of tools, which I'm going to show you, that you can do all kinds of decorating on your nails and all kinds of designs. So lots of ideas to show you.